How to cancel YouTube Premium subscription. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel your YouTube subscription. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the process is really simple. What you'll need to do is open up your YouTube first. And after you open up your YouTube, make sure that you're logged into your account where you do have your premium subscription. Now head over to your profile that is on the bottom right. Tap on the settings icon on the top right, and after you tap on it, you'll find an option here called purchase and memberships. So simply tap on that, and now here you will be on your purchases and membership. If you do have a plan, you will get an option to manage your subscriptions. Tap on that and choose your premium. After you choose your premium, you will see this option right here to deactivate. Simply tap on deactivate, and after you tap on deactivate, you will get a pop-up to confirm the deactivation, and after you confirm that, you will be able to just cancel your YouTube Premium subscription. You will do have your subscription valid till the day you have bought the subscription, so it will work till that day and it will stop working from after that. So yeah, that is how you can cancel your YouTube subscription, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.